Why do you think a lot of Uber drivers end up quitting? Like, are there things that you really dislike about driving for Uber?
Uh, Me, I don't really have anything to dislike. To be honest, for me, the most important thing is the freedom that I get from driving. I mean, I make my own schedule. I really don't do well with having somebody on top of me telling me what to do. So that's why I really like Uber. Uh, but the only there's I mean, I consider Uber like an entrepreneurial job because you have to push yourself in order to make good money. Some people don't do well with that. Some people need somebody else to push them, and that's why I think it doesn't work for everybody. And
Oh, okay. Yeah.
that's why probably some people they quit because they don't have the discipline to push themselves.
Yeah, that makes
And
sense. I guess it
yeah,
is like it's kind of, I mean, I wouldn't say it's a boring job, but like it can be
it's
really
very repetitive.
repetitive.
Yeah, it's very repetitive. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can feel that. I had so many times that I just burn out and I don't want to go inside my car.
Yeah, makes sense.